It's just rude how they don't give you USB cables these days. Bloody hell. Hey there guys, Adam here, and I'm really excited because I've just picked up a few new toys from the camera store. Exactly, a couple of new SD cards to go into my brand new Fuji XH1 mirrorless DSLR. And I picked that up with the new XH1 vertical power grip with a couple more batteries and a brand new Fuji 16 to 55 f2.8 lens. So pretty much all of my other videos on this YouTube channel are all about my Leica cameras and why I like Leica and film so much. Why have I got this? Well, a few reasons. One, I wanted to get a DSLR body that had some rapid fire. Now I know in the past I've spoken about rapid fire and how I think that there's so many idiots out there just using rapid fire for the sake of it. I wanted to actually get a little bit better at using rapid fire in my photography. And obviously with the Leica M240 I've only got 2 frames a second. This with the vertical power grip can go up to 11 frames a second. I've also been curious about mirrorless DSLRs for a little while. I've always actually liked the Nikon DSLRs, and if you remember back in the day of the Nikon D200, D300 and also some of the cameras before that, Fuji was actually rebadging the Nikon DSLRs and putting their own sensor technology in there, which was at the time just phenomenal. And I'm really keen to actually get back into the Fuji sensor technology, particularly with some of the film simulations that are available in the in the Fuji X series. We've now got a Turner available in the XH1, and I think well, it's APS-C, so. Now I know that's not full frame. I think a lot of people who have full frame don't really know what all the benefits of full frame are and don't really know how to use it. But the reason I'm actually quite excited to go to APS-C is, yeah, it's smaller, I can get a bit more bang for my dollar out of it, and it's going to be great for video as well with the in-body image stabilization, and there won't be any vignetting issues as well to worry about. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the unboxing. Okay, so what do we got here? We've got a couple of batteries, cool beans. We've got a 77mm UV filter to go on the end of the lens. If you don't buy a UV filter to go onto the end of all of your lenses to protect them, you're an idiot. Because I'm sure you'd much rather scratch a piece of glass like this, which only costs like, what, $30 to replace if it gets damaged, versus, well, $1,500 for that lens. Alright, so let's get started. You know, it's actually really nice packaging that you get with this. So, let's open her up. I'll take these out of the way for now. And let's go for an unboxing of the body. Nice thick manual. You know, I tend to nerd out on manuals, so I'm going to enjoy reading that. What else we got? Oh, we've got a bit of cardboard. Neato. And now we come to the camera itself. This one completely sealed. I am very happy with that. What else we got in here? Yeah. Okay, we've got a battery charger, neato. We've got the strap. We've got the power cord. We've got a little flash. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using that too much, but there you go. I think I really am just going to use this camera for some outdoor stuff and video more than anything else. Yeah, so we've got a battery there. Cable organizer, battery charger. Very cool. It's just rude how they don't give you USB cables these days. Bloody hell. Yeah, well. Okay, so we've got all of that. That's nice. Alright, let's have a look at the vertical power grip. Or vertical power booster, as Fuji calls it. So here it is itself. It's actually really heavy. Yeah, feels good. Cool buttons to press. DC in, that's even better. Shut up, Siri. I don't know, maybe Siri got excited about the whole DC in thing. Maybe she's into that kind of stuff. Nice buttons. Okay. Oh yeah, and you know, you can actually charge your 2 batteries in the power booster at the same time using the supplied power cable. That's actually really cool. So I will get onto that soon. Let's take the camera out of here, eh? Okay. Well, that feels good. Yeah, that soft shutter button feels really nice. Yeah, it's a nice size in my hands. I like that. I could use that. Okay. Now let's check out the lens. Because it doesn't matter how good your camera body is, if you don't have a decent lens on it, what's the point? Woohoo, we've got silica gel in there. I like that. I tend to put that in other camera bags. Yep, we've got a hood. And there it is, the lens itself. Woo! Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is put the filter on there and charge up the batteries, and we will get started. Thanks guys!